let's look at some of the results from last week. This is the first is a urea test. And you can see here the urea test looks like it's pink and cherry red. This is positive. And which bacteria is this? Is Proteus vulgarius. Because the pH indicator phenol red, at alkaline environment, it will become cherry red. And urea is breakdown by ureas become ammonia and carbon dioxide. And ammonia is a weak alkaline. Okay, so that's the first one. Second, we did the 3-tube fermentation for E. coli. And you can clearly see, you can very clearly see inside, there is a bubble comes out. There is a bubble comes out. That means it's gas fermentation positive. And you also can see all those 3 tubes, which is turns the color, which is become yellow, which means lactose, glucose, sucrose fermentation positive, because the acid generate and the phenol red turns yellow color. Phenol red is a pH indicator. Okay, so these 3 are very easy to do the test. Now we wanted to do other test. First of all, we had this SIM test. And we actually did not really see anything difference right here. Okay, we did not see anything difference. We want to see, is there positive for the Indo. So we use a reagent called the Kovac. You take a picture right, called the Kovac test. So for all these things, we have to shake it a little bit. Then let's put it into E. coli. Okay, we add into E. coli. And we will see, we will shake a little bit. You will see on the top, it is actually cherry red positive. So Lee take a picture about this one. It's Indo positive because Kovac turns Indo become cherry red color. So it is Indo positive. Okay. Now let's see Pseudomonas aeruginosa, what it looks like. So let's add SIM there. So here, you don't have to take a picture of this one. This is here, we also see it's red, but actually it's not correct. Okay, so this means this Pseudomonas aeruginosa, this Proteus vulgarius might get contaminated, so we don't know about the reason for that. Okay, so you can take a picture right here. This is actually, we didn't see lots of the color. Now let's do some of the other test, which is a catalase test. So catalase test, we have 2 sides, which is Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli. So we're going to add hydrogen peroxide there. Okay, let's say we add a hydrogen peroxide on one side. And you can clearly see one side has a bubble. You have to take a picture very clear. You have to see one side you has a bubble.
It's not a good picture.
Okay. We have another one. I can do a picture right here. So Lee, just go inside to take a picture. See which one you had a bubble. Just go inside and take a picture. Yeah. See the see the bubble? Yeah.
Yep.
That means it's possible. Okay. Now how are we going to do oxidase test? Oxidase test, we use oxidase reagent like this. Now oxidase reagent, we will be adding we want to see which one turns purple. So we shake a little bit and we'll see which one turns purple. If there's one side turns purple, that means it's positive. Otherwise it's negative. We need to let it be reacted a little bit. Okay, so here we stop right here. We're gonna come back to do the MOVP test and also the deaminase test on Thursday. Okay?
That's it?
Yeah.